Thank you all for watching. I'm very embarrassed right now. Cindy was so good. Direct, you're amazing. I hope you appreciate my dancing skills. It was on level 10. Yeah. Gracias. Goodbye. Thank you.
Maraming salamat po na kasama po namin dito. Direct, salamat. Kasi first time po namin panood yung movie. Bumabagyo din po nun sa Cebu. We didn't have enough time. Yes. And Direct, salamat.
Galing ni Direct, patapakan nyo rin si Direct.
Salamat po. Napakasimple pa lang po ng movie namin, pero inuus po talaga namin yung puso namin. Direct, salamat sa inspirasyon. Salamat sa magandang storya. Salamat sa magandang pagkakaibigan na nabuhusan. Thank you everyone for watching with us tonight. Sana po napasaya po namin kayo ngayong gabing ito. Salamat, salamat, salamat. And of course, Direct Dado.
Thank you so much. Maraming salamat po sa I'm so happy and I'm so proud to have worked with Cindy and people. They were very professional. Nakita niyo naman, napakahirap yung shoot. But ibigay nila lahat. And I am so proud na parang feeling ko talaga kung hindi sila yung mga the movie called na. And yun, and ako, ayun, I'm so proud to have worked with them. Napakahusay nila.
Exactly. Thank you, everybody. Please do help us spread the word tomorrow, September 4 in cinemas nationwide on 40. Again, our hashtags for tonight, hashtag 40 and hashtag 40 premiere night. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Again, my name is Phoebe Walker. Have a safe journey home. Bye.
Picture ka sa akin. Yes! Hindi ka patay!
Oh man! It's your premiere night.
Buhay ka! Hep hep! Alright! DJ Hirit. DJ Hirit?
Touch